Welcome back to this channel. Today's question is about solving logarithmic equations. Without using logarithm tables or a calculator, solve the equation. So we have the equation just as shown. So solving the equation means finding the value of x. So we are going to apply the following laws. We know that logarithm of a plus logarithm of b should be equivalent to, logarithm of the product of a and b. So that is the first thing we're going to look at. Next, we're also going to look at this. N log b should be equivalent to log b raised to n. So this n becomes the power of b. So that's another way of writing this. Let's answer the question. The left-hand side should remain the way it is, so that we have logarithm of 5x minus 4. And then on the right-hand side, we are going to have logarithm of x plus 2 plus. Now, for this part, a third serves as n, so that we can take a third to become the power of 27. So that is logarithm of 27 raised to a third. So n becomes the power of b. A third becomes the power of 27. Another thing we need to recall here is that when you're given a number, let's say a raised to a power 1 over n, then this is just like finding the nth root of that number a. In other words, if we have a raised to a third, then this is just like finding the cube root of a. So applying that here, 27 raised to a third is just like finding the cube root of 27, which is 3. So we can include that in the next line. So we have logarithm of 5x minus 4 is equal to logarithm of x plus 2 plus logarithm of 27 raised to a third. We say that is the cube root of 27, which is 3. Now the next thing is to apply this law of logarithm. So on the right hand side, we have addition. That means you are going to have logarithm of the product of this bracket and 3. And that is 3 times x plus 2. So we have 3x plus 6. And then on the left hand side, we still have log 5x minus 4. So when you get to this level, usually if you have logarithm of a equal to logarithm of b, then you can as well just drop the logarithms and equate a to b. And that is the final level that we are at. So logarithm of 5x minus 4 is equal to logarithm of 3x plus 6. So our a is this bracket and our b is this bracket. So you can say the two brackets are equal. 5x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 6. So here 3x crosses so that you have 5x minus 3, and that is 2x. And then negative 4 crosses so that you have positive 4 plus 6, and that is 10. So dividing both sides by 2, x becomes 5. And finally, we come to the end of this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.